Hello and welcome to this new session on calculating net present value using Excel. Now, what is net present value? This is a finance term where we wish to learn what would be the value of n number of cash flows in the future on a present day. Like, for instance, what would be the current value of these cash flows in the coming 5 years today? Like, what would be that one lump sum which would be equivalent to five cash flows which may occur in the coming 5 years? Like, in the first year, I get this cash flow. In the second year, I get this cash flow. In the third year, I get this cash flow. Fourth, this, and fifth, this. So, what would be that one lump sum today which would be equivalent to these cash flows in the future at this rate of interest or this discount rate? Okay, so discount rate is the rate at which we discount any negotiable instruments. Okay, so probably we can simply say discount rate is nothing but the prevailing interest rate. Okay, so how do we go ahead calculating the net present value? We start with a very simple function, that is NPV. Okay, and start your parenthesis. What is your rate? This is your rate at which you will be calculating, and your values of cash flows. Okay, you can select one by one or you can select as a series. Okay, so you simply select your series, close your parenthesis, hit enter, and you get your present value. Is this clear? So congratulations, you have learned how to calculate the net present value. I'll just show you the formula once again so that you get a clarity on how to do it on your own. Hope you found this useful. Do spread the good word. Thank you for watching.